A full mouth dental implant solution here at Hamilton Family Dentistry can mean different things. It could be a full arch all-on-4 case. It could be a combination of crowns and veneers with some dental implants to replace missing teeth, or it could be a total, reconstruction of your bite with a regular crown and bridge. A one-size approach to me just is not the best for the patient. If you go to a clinic or an office and they only provide dental implants, well, guess what they're going to talk about? Dental implants, and that's it. So some patients don't need that. They may think they do, but some of them they don't. So that is one thing that's unique with us, is we provide all aspects of dentistry. We offer comprehensive care. So if you have some teeth left that you think are, savable, or we have something to work with, we can. We're not going to tell you every time you're going to need full arch dental implants. We're going to talk to you about the options, and we're going to give you a great solution. When we sit down and talk to the patients during the consultation, we want to know what's most important to them. If function is the first word that comes out of their mouth, we're going to be very interested in talking about implants to that patient if they have missing teeth. Okay, sometimes it can mean it's an all-on-4. Sometimes it can mean it's a combination of implants and restoring the teeth that they already have. Implants are great, but if you have limited bone, or you have very if you don't have dense bone, you're not going to be the best candidate. So we're going to go over that with you, and we're going to offer you a solution that you are going to get good results with.